class. So Assalamualaikum again. So this is to be the last subtopics for this chapter Fourier series. So the title of this one is half range. Okay, half range series. Right. So half range series is a part of Fourier series. Okay, what's the idea behind of half range? Okay, so if you can, if you see for the Fourier series, the interval, okay, the interval is from negative L into L, right? So from negative L to L. So this is Fourier series, okay? Now, for half range series is when we consider it half. Half here means from 0 until L. Okay, so it's half lah, okay? From instead of negative L until L, but now it's one from 0 until L. So this is half range series. So half range series actually the step it will be equal like the previous like the Fourier series, but it's just the cut of the interval lah, okay? And also for the half range series, it can be divided into two category of half range. So the first one we call it as half range. I just write. Okay, half range here. Okay, this is half range. So it can divide into two, which is cosine. Okay, half range cosine series and half range sine. Half range sine series. Okay, they have two, cosine and also sine. Okay, or in another word we can call it as cosine series as an even. Of course we know that by you already show it, right? You already prove it that cos is a even function. Okay, cosine is cos, cuma ni nama penuh dia lah, cosine. Okay, sine is sine lah. So for sine series it will be odd. Okay, so that's it. Yang tu je, tak ada apa-apa. They have nothing much new lah for this half range. Okay, already all is about what we have learned before lah. Okay, tak ada apa-apa benda yang baru pun. So now, okay, let's say you have an example. Okay, the question asks you determine the half range. Okay, the question asks you to find the half range. Half range Fourier series. Half range Fourier series for fx equal to 1 minus x, and the interval here is from 0 until 1. Okay, class? So 0, 1, so this means the half range lah. Okay, even though kalau lah soalan tak mention half range, but we know that the interval is 0, 1, so we will know that this is half range. And class, this question doesn't state any type, which is it doesn't state we want to find the cosine or sine. Dia tak mention pun kan. So what we need to do, okay, if you get this type of question, you need to do it both. Both here means you need to do it cosine and also you need to do it sine. You need to do both. Okay? Because the question is too general. I mean, it's general question. It just mentioned the half range Fourier series. Let's say, okay, if I change or if I make it the adjustment for this question, let's say it give you the question, determine the half range cosine, for example. So that means you just do it for cosine only. Okay, kalau dia beritahu that cosine, so you buat cosine sahajalah, cos. Okay, but now it's just a general one, half range Fourier series. Therefore, you need to do it both. Okay, you need to do a cosine and also you need to do it sine. Then, how to do it cosine? Yeah, the first, the step will be equal, the same thing, which is you need to, like I said just now, cosine is even and sine is odd. So this means you just using the same equation, which is a0 over m plus summation n1 infinity an cos n pi x over l, and for odd is summation n1 infinity bn sin n pi x over l. Okay, and then you proceed. Okay, it will be the same the same steps. But it's easy. I mean, it's just already. Apa yang beza dia? It's already do it for you. What I mean by do it for you is you don't need to what we call to identify whether this function is odd or even. You tak perlu tentukan dia odd ke even. But if you are recall back the previous example, yes, you need to find out first. You need to identify first whether your function is odd even, then baru you boleh proceed with the formula or with the equation. But for half Fourier series, yes, we just already focus on macam is cosine, is automated, is even, so therefore you just jumps to your equation without show that the function is odd or even anymore. Okay, clear or not? I hope that you clear on this part. Maksudnya untuk half range is most simplest compared to, not simple sangat lah, just one step je. Okay, which is you tak perlu nak tunjukkan whether your function is odd or even. Okay, because you need to do it both. Maksudnya memang you kena buat pun cosine automated you do it even, and sine you already automated you do it for odd. Okay, so yeah, I think that's all. Okay, okay lah, I give you the what you call the answer for this part. Okay, for cosine and for sine, later you do it by yourself. So kelas L here, okay, even though this is half range, but L here is this one. You see? Betul tak? Betul kan? So saya cakap tadi, the interval is from 0 until L. So therefore your L here is 1 lah. Okay, your L here is 1 sorry, this one, L. Okay, so I just write down the answer of A0, AN, then you try to do it by yourself. Okay, so A0 here is 1. AN here is, N here quite complicated. 2 over N square pi square. In the bracket they have -1 power of N plus 1 plus 1. Okay, and then after that you substitute lah. Okay, substitute back this one and this A0 and AN into this function, right? And then for the sine series, your Bn here is equal to 2 over n pi. Therefore, your function fx is equal to, okay, you substitute this one Bn into here. Sorry, Bn into this. So your function is this one lah. Okay, right class? Okay, so we are finished for Fourier series. So yeah, for me, Fourier series ni tak susah. Dia cuma you careful on your integration punya ni lah, because I know integration ni ramai orang benci lah sikit kan. Most of us hate integration instead of differentiation. Differentiation dia senang sikit compared to integration. So maybe yeah, but you need to face it lah. You kena juga hadap benda ni. So yes, that's all for Fourier series. So I will see you. We will proceed the last chapter 5 next week. Okay.